My name is Karen Salandy. I've been in the beauty industry for just over 30 years, working for other people. And just about, say, 5 years ago, I looked into the idea of doing something myself. So I became a freelance makeup artist, working for myself. Then, still not satisfied with that, still wanted something more. I came across on YouTube this fantastic person training you on setting up your own business. I mean, I've tried many businesses before, but just, long story, nothing worked. Basically, there was no training, at all. Once I found the recruitment workshop, startup workshop, I thought something like a light in my head said to me, let's try that, let's just go and try. I went along to the one day, the free day training, and again, I must have changed the days about 4 times, trying to find the right time to come here. I finally made it to training, and I was blown over by it. Straight away I realized it's something that I want to do. I want to start my own business, and what better than recruitment business, especially in the field that I'm in, is what I want to specialize in, which is the beauty industry. I'm so glad I came here today, and as you can see, I can't stop smiling, can't stop laughing. I feel I have got a golden opportunity, and it's not too late for me. I didn't tell you guys my age, but I'm in my 50s, and it's time. It's time I go for my dream, and I'm glad I've come to see this company.